This particular question was asked in the year 2020, I guess, 2019. Question says, what does Plato want to prove by allegory of cave? Now, in such questions, it is better to start with what is allegory of cave and where it has been mentioned. So, this candidate is part of our Super 30 program. He has written that Plato in Republic advances allegory of cave, which underscores his metaphysics. Now, this is a very beautiful way of starting. This way you have organized your thoughts properly. That is theory of forms. He establishes dichotomy of worlds, material world and transcendental world of forms, wherein material objects are just copies and imitations of the real forms. Okay? Then he goes on to explain what is the allegory of cave in a brief paragraph. And this is a very good way of doing things. Then you go on to explain कि what does he want to prove. भाई कहना क्या चाहता है, प्रूव क्या करना चाहता है प्लेटो, ये सब कहानी सुना के हमको प्रूफ करना चाहता है द डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन अपीयरेंस एंड रियलिटी. ठीक है. द रोल ऑफ एजुकेशन, रोल ऑफ फिलोसोफर किंग, idea of good, perception versus reason. All these points are mentioned in our notes on Super 30. So ये सब mentioned है. Then you go on criticizing by Aristotle. The Aristotle says that his philosophy is metaphorical only. His way of explaining the things is metaphorical. He doubles the things to be understood. Unnecessary duplication he has done. There is no logical relation. There is a fallacy of third man involved here. And finally, you conclude that this theory provides a firm foundation for Western philosophy. इससे फिर हम देखते हैं कि Leibniz, Spinoza, Descartes, the rationalist philosophers were greatly inspired by him, and the doctrine of innate ideas are also somehow related to his allegory of cave, because the prisoners had the innate idea of some real what is the reality, but they were not able to say this because of ignorance. And once one of them got out of that ignorance, he saw what is real and he became the reality. So that's why he also says that to know is to be. Anyways, this is how you have to follow under 10 marker. 10 marker के अंदर कोई कॉन्सेप्ट पूछा है तो कॉन्सेप्ट को एक्सप्लेन किया, क्वेश्चन का कॉन्टेक्स्ट जो है उसको सेटिस्फाई किया, क्रिटिक 1 or 2, then you conclude. Okay. So to this question, it is a 10 marker, so we are going to award him around 6 marks because it in a way satisfy all the demands of the question.